Good morning everyone. Miss Rita here. Children, in today's video of Max class 6, chapter number 17, geometrical construction, we are going to solve practice set number 39. Perpendicular. In the figure here, line L and line N intersect at point M. Measure every angle formed at the point M. If an angle between line L and the line N is a right angle, we can say that the lines are perpendicular to each other. This is written as line L perpendicular line N. In symbol, it is read as line L is perpendicular to line N. The blinking one is the symbol for the perpendicular. And student writing here, Max note. Children, perpendicular can be drawn by using three methods: by using set square method, protractor method, and by compass method. Children, now let's start with the practice set number 39. Children, question number 1 is given. Draw line L. Take any point P on the line. Using a set square, draw a line perpendicular to the line L at the point P. Student, first of all, we will draw one line by using a scale. So any measurement line you can draw. Straight one line make of any measurement, and it is given that take any point P on the line. Here line L, I am taking the P on the line. After drawing line L, take point P on a line by using this set square. Two set square are given. You can use any one set square. So I am using this one set square. So here it is given scaling on two sides. So one scale will keep on the line and one scale we use on a straight. So this way the point till the point P will take the scaling should be straight to the line. From P the line should go straight. You can now observe here. So downward scaling is equal to this line L. The next one line is scaling is given is vertical line to the point P. We will draw point line on the point P. So here we will give the perpendicular sine 90 degree. Question number 2 is given. Draw a line AB using a compass. Draw a line perpendicular to AB at the point B. Student, we have to make a line AB. So any measure we can take. So here I have drawn line AB. Now using a compass. So take a compass, put the pencil, it should be equal. And while using this compass, we have to make perpendicular line to the AB at the point B. So here what we will do, we will keep a compass pointer on B, make arc over here. One arc should go to the right side, one arc should go left side. So in this circular or compass we can take any measurement. So I have made two arcs, one here, one here. So by using these two arcs we can make a perpendicular line. Now take any small measurement from this compass, put the pointer on the one arc, make arc one up, one down. Now second arc we got over here, keep the pointer here, cut this upward arc and downward arc. So here we got intersection of these two arcs is the point and join this 3 point with the B. So here we got perpendicular line to the line AB, the perpendicular sign. Can give any name to this. Give the here name is B is given, so here we'll give the name L. Line AB is perpendicular line L. Okay.